Girls and guys, welcome back to the channel. Now this is the second video I'm doing on this Tesla in the same day because I split them up into two. The first video we've done is how to replace track rod ends and the alignment and stuff like that. So we are in Matty's Tesla Model S? I don't know, I've been working on this car for a couple of hours. I have no idea what it is. It's a Tesla, it's fine. We've done the track rod ends. Now we need to replace the rear reversing camera because he broke it. This is the view you get when you put it in reverse. It just looks like too many drinks on a Saturday night type of blurry. So we need to replace the camera. Pre-ordered a little didgeridoo. Now, I mean, it looks fairly simple. 2 screws, 1 plug, some clips and some trims. But it's a Tesla and I've never done one before. Not much information out there on how to do it. So, as always, let's just jump straight into it. Let's go and see what we're dealing with. One thing I like is the key to open the boot. And let there be light. One thing that's good is I've got my own personal workbench. Beautiful. Now here's the other problem, a bit too short. So we've got 2 Torx screws to undo the camera from there, which is good. I think if we undo that, maybe take this off, take the trim panel off, and we should be able to get to it. Well, let's find out. Oh, this is horrible. So, managed to get that one out. Had to use the trim tool to pop it out. Had to get this one out. Again, trim tool. There's some speakers here that we need to undo for the wiring. I've basically got hands in, and there's no screws that I can see that hold it in. You just have to yank it. And it sounds terrible. I really mean it. It sounds like you're snapping everything, but you're not. It's just the noise that it makes. I think someone's been in here before. The whole thing's about to come off now. Yeah, I think someone's been in here before because there's double-sided tape here, unless that's a standard Tesla thing. I don't know. So I'm gonna lower this down, get it out of the way, and hope everything's all right. This gives you false hope as well. Just thought I'd show you this. So this looks like it should come off, but it doesn't. That is just, this does not come off. I tried to and nearly broke it, so I left it. Right, situation. So I think I'm not really sure. So looking inside the car, you can see that grommet there and the blue plug. That's where it is. So I think I'm gonna disconnect it from there and then unscrew this trim here and it should come out. Might, maybe, who knows, let's find out. Well, turns out you have to remove the chrome strip. Reason why I had to remove it is because one screw did not want to come out. So I'm gonna take this whole thing off and extract that. Yay me. So that comes off by, you've got little popper clip things that hold on here and here. Just pop, pop, pop. Do it that way. There's all these arrows telling me to go that way, so I went that way. Right. Oh God, we've got to attack that camera now. Let's disconnect it from the inside. All right, we're nearly all back together. I've connected everything up on the inside. Had the world's biggest fight with the trims going on. They're crap. One thing we're concerned about is whether or not the car's going to need coding for the camera. So let's turn it on, mush. Right, that's turned it off. There you go. Oh yeah, okay, right. Okay, so car is on. Please work. Oh yeah, it's like HD. Highly damaged. No, that was the old one. Right, so yeah, that all works. Brilliant. Let's just do it. Yep, fruity. Cool. Now put the last little bits back on. I'm quite happy about that. And there we have it. It is all back together. We are happy, and I've already sent it to the customer, and he's a happy bunny as well. Another Tesla done. That's weird.